Let's go over what haptics are on your iPhone. Haptics refer to tactile feedback. Basically, vibrations that give you physical responses when interacting with your device. To experience this, try tapping and holding on your iPhone screen. You'll feel a small vibration when you do this, which is the haptic feedback in action. For example, if you tap and hold on the home screen, the icons will start to jiggle, and you'll feel that vibration. You can adjust these settings by going to Settings, then scrolling down to Sounds and Haptics. Here, under Ringtone, you can enable haptic feedback to make your iPhone vibrate when you receive a call. Essentially, haptics are any physical or touch-related sensations your iPhone provides, like vibrating when you get a call or text. You can also adjust other settings for haptics. For instance, under Keyboard Feedback, you can enable haptic feedback when typing on your iPhone's keyboard. This will make your phone vibrate slightly with each key press. Additionally, you can customize haptics further. For example, for text tones, you can choose or even create your own custom haptic pattern by tapping Create New Vibration. Here, you can tap to create a unique vibration for notifications like texts, emails, or calls. Another example of haptic feedback is when you're selecting text on a website. When you tap and hold to select something, you'll feel a small vibration. This is powered by the Haptic engine in your iPhone, which provides that tactile feedback, much like the bass in a speaker. If you prefer not to use haptic feedback, you can easily turn it off in the settings for each feature. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.